Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 4th grade concept of personal financial literacy, calculating profit. This is standard 4.10b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 13 off the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have Zoe, and Zoe's selling snacks at a neighborhood pool. So it cost her some money to prepare the snacks. So it's going to cost her $10.29. That's her cost for preparing the snacks. And then she's going to sell the snacks, and the money she receives from the sale is going to be $21.75. So we need to figure out what is Zoe's profit. Now, sale, cost, and profit. That's going to be all very important for us to figure out. But let's first start with this profit, because this word profit is going to tell us what we need to do. So what does profit mean? Well, I'll give you a short definition and a longer one. So short definition is profit is financial gain. It's how much money you are making, because finances has to do with money. Gaining is increasing. So how much money you are increasing. So a little bit longer definition is going to be the difference, and hopefully that makes you think of a certain operation. Difference between, there's going to be two things that we need to be thinking about. Difference between the cost of whether you're buying something, you are making something, you are producing something, fixing something, whatever it is. So that cost. And the other thing that we need to compare it against is the sale price. So how much you sell it for. So here's an example. So let's say that you are going to a garage sale and you see a Hot Wheels car. And they're really cheap. They're 25 cents each. So you get a Hot Wheels car for 25 cents. That's just a quarter. You figure that's a pretty good deal. But you also know that your uncle likes collecting Hot Wheels cars, and you think this is one that's in pretty good condition, and it costs you 25 cents, but you sell it to your uncle for, let's say, $2. He'll give you $2 for that Hot Wheels car because he wants to add it to his collection. So what we have here is we have our cost, and then we also have our sale price. And if we wanted to calculate our profit, then what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to subtract the two. So let's say we've got a sale price of $2, and we're going to subtract away. You didn't make $2 completely, because remember, it cost you 25 cents to get it to begin with. So if we subtract the two, I have to subtract across zeros here. So there we go. You made a profit of $1.75. So even though you received $2 from your uncle for selling it to him, you also have to take away the cost of 25 cents. So that's an example of finding profit. So in this particular problem, they actually just give us the two different items that we need to figure out. So we've got our cost, and I'm going to put that underneath because we're going to have to subtract these two. So the cost of these snacks is going to be $10.29. And then we've got the sale price of these snacks. They go ahead and give that to us as well. And that's going to be $21.75. And hopefully you always want to be making money. So you need your sale price to be greater than your cost. If for some reason your sale price is equal to or less than even your cost, then you're losing money. You don't want to spend $10.29 making snacks and only sell them for $5. Now you've lost money. So we simply subtract these two. And so let's see, we're going to need to regroup there. So 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 2, that's going to be 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. So even though you walked away with $21.75 in your pocket, and you think, wow, you're rich, remember, it cost you $10.29 to actually make those snacks. So your profit is going to be C, $11.46.